How to add guns in lobby on PUBG. Hi guys, it's Mikran from Gaming Basics. Today I am going to guide you how to add guns in lobby on PUBG. Adding guns in lobby on PUBG is quite easy. So without any delay, let's start the video. Open PUBG. On your mobile device, open PUBG. Go to the main menu. Once you are on the main menu, go to inventory. Click on the inventory option from the main menu. It's right here. Select your gun. Choose the weapon type you want to showcase, for example shotgun, rifles, sniper, etc. Apply a skin. If you have any skin for the weapon, select them. This is how you can add guns on the lobby. Back to the main menu. Now here it is, you need gun skin to add guns on lobby. And here you go, it's done. That's how you can add guns in lobby on PUBG. If you liked our video, press the thumbs up and share button. If you have any question, comment down below and don't forget to subscribe the channel for more tutorials.